If you know you got a good product that can deliver, it becomes your ethical responsibility to do whatever it takes to get that product in the hands of the people who need it. I got a lot of students right now who are very scared of selling. And honestly, you can't really blame them, right? This is a new business. This is a brand new product. They've never had a sales job before. They just made new scripts. And for the first time in their lives, they're actually starting to do this business stuff properly. And when that happens, success comes quick. And quick success can be scary, right? I want to tell you guys, don't be afraid of becoming who you need to be. Go all in, man. It doesn't even really matter all the details in between, right? What you say, how you look, right? People get so scared, they get their emotions so tied up in things. But if they just take a little bit of a step back and stop stressing, they'd realize they don't need to be. If you are good, and trust me, you're good after training with us, and setting up your business with us, if you're good, you can say what you want and you can do what you want and you can have fun running your business how you want to run it. Why? Because the people who buy that, they're going to be happy no matter what, right? What they want is the result. Becoming good is being able to get that result for them. Everything you said before is void if you can deliver results and you do what you say and get them exactly what they want, right? If I'm trying to get to 10 million and I got two people who want to help me make that 10 million, one guy sells me because he told me he's going to get me 100 million, not 10 million, and the dude never got me 100 mil, but he did get me that 10 mil. Am I angry at him, right? Am I going to go back and say, what the fuck, dude, you got me everything I wanted? No, of course I'm not. So don't stress it, right? If you can deliver, if you know you got a good product that can deliver, it becomes your ethical responsibility to do whatever it takes to get that product in the hands of the people who need it. My name is Spencer Williams, and I'll talk to you soon.